Need to scrape data at scale without getting blocked? Third's Web Unlocker makes it easy. Let me show you how to get started, check pricing plans, and test it in the playground all in just a few steps. Get Started section. First, log into your Thordata dashboard. New users can sign up for free. Head to the Web Unlocker section. Here you'll find your APL key. Copy it. You'll need this for all your ROASTs, pricing section. Thordata offers flexible pricing, pay-as-you-go, or monthly subscriptions. You only pay for successful requests with plans that scale from small projects to enterprise needs. Pricing starts at just a few dollars per 1,000 requests, so you can choose what fits your budget. Playground demo. The best part, testing is effortless. Go to the playground, paste any URL like google.com and hit send. Instantly, you'll get clean, structured JSON data in no coding required. You can even use CSS selectors to customize exactly what data you extract. And that's it. Third's Web Unlocker is fast, reliable, and easy to use. Try it yourself at Thordata.com. Link below that. If this helped, let me know what else you'd like to see. For full details, check out the official